Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to take on you our bus trip. Okay, let's go. Look guys, after few minutes we start dancing. But it's only few minutes. Let's see what happened next.
A few moments later.
After that, they all are asleep. We are on the way. We'll start our trip at early in the morning. Guys, I'm very excited to this trip because I like hiking, traveling. It's my favorite hobby. So I am very excited. After 4 hours journey, we arrived Vera campus. I think it's time 9:30 maybe. I think all of you know this bridge. It's called Akbar Bridge in Pera campus. We took our breakfast in campus cafeteria and again we start our journey. This is the way of Antana mountain. It's so beautiful and both sides we can see only green color. Okay guys, let's start our hiking. most difficult way but beautiful journey because our destination is very beautiful. I collect countless memories. I feel it's like army training because we across forest and our guide said don't shout because it is many of animal home.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I won't let it go. Let's go way out, face out, losing all control.
Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spend it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my God. Jump out that sofa.
We took our lunch in this place. After that, again we start our journey.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I won't let it go. Let's go way out, face out, losing all control.
Tonight's the night. Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spend it up. Go out and smash it. Like oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's get off.
Shine a light through an open door. Love and life, I will define. Turn away 'cause I need you more. Feel the heartbeat in my mind. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I've gotta let it go.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. And do it. And do it. Let's get it all. And do it. And do it. And do it. And do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel it.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as you.
Hey guys, finally after difficult way we reached the mountain top. It is so beautiful. That beauty make me happy, forget all my pains and problems. So you too, I share with you that beauty. Stay with me.
Biggie biggie අපි වෙන්නායේ පෙම්පාරේ සැලි සැලි එන වාද තේරුණා ගිම්හානේ කල්යල් බැලුවාට ආදරේ අල්තාරේ රතු තොල් පෙති පාට ගෑවුනේ නෑ සිහිනේ ඡායා
This journey has been amazing and I'm so glad I could share it with you. See you again on my next adventure. Stay with me. Goodbye.
Makiva nasina se dara vedana ita parana ded vedana santani mata ne suna ded kive me mandare api agiya palu mavate mangave navathi mama par piruva hantane navathi mama par piruva hantane